You remember this black market so we are talking about when the case just start? You remember that car there? You remember the black market so we are talking about when the case just start? We not gonna find him there. We not gonna find it. The boy take the car off a car mat. You know when they have all the car sell? Half of this other car they come from and use. We now go find it. Somebody buy a car a long time. Me dear. Come lava, come lava, jump up, come lava. Where you down there? Come jump up. Come guys. No come. Come and me why I don't know why come alone no one put my fire. No come up in the box and take some my fire with me. You don't think me no come up in the box and take some fire with me. What I do? Don't know easy man. Come pass to take some fire with me, huh? I mean, alone don't want people burn out. Come up in a box, come take some fire with me. I mean, I don't want to make people see per internet and bring down the junk of them. Come up in a box and I play with my badness. Come, oi, nobody can flood the box neither, you know. What moderator careful, you know, put the people, normal people in the box. Come, you know, moderator put the normal people in the box. Moderator put the normal people in the box.
Hello?
Hi, good morning. How you doing?
I'm great. I just want to ask you a question, right? Because of the bleach out face guy, you're saying nobody want to come forward with the information, right? So that guy,
yes.
That guy is more close to Chanel, the baby that broke his leg, mom.
Okay, so what's gonna happen? I've got some more information.
Right.
So that is further on in the news. So right now, that's the guy that take out Jayden.
So do you have any information that
I do, and I've got pictures. Pardon?
Do you have any information that the police can find the body, that his mother can, get any closure?
No, but once you get them in a sweatbox, guys, all right, moderator, take out back everybody that's alive. Moderator, take out back guys. If we not go interrupt and talk, you know my thing on my mother already now. Let me answer one person and then the next person pull the mic. Me know another jacka. If moderator have to get out back everybody out of box, cause we don't have to do it properly and manage about to the scene. Go on to your question, my girl.
Yeah, I was asking you if you have any information like where the police could find the body so the original mom can get like a closure to know what happened to her baby. Because it's just crazy. I've been listening to you, but I never come in here live. But I have a son, and to know that her son didn't die, it's just an injury. He's still alive. And you as a mom could think so horrible to go and unalive a next child. I maybe think she did not like Jayden because a broke foot could not let you do something like that. This is my thought. Like, how do you sleep to know that my baby is here and another person lost their child, regardless the mom wasn't there with the child, but he still have a mother?
All right, so I understand everything that you just said, and for your question, no, I don't have the information to go and find where they put Jayden, but as long as we get this boy in the sweatbox,
right?
So at the moment, I've got him, I've got the hyena, and I've got Goatee. Those three,
right?
According to my source, are the three that are responsible for Jayden, and the brother from Spanish Town as well. He's got a big part to play. But as I said, I am gonna drop some more information. And yes, I know right now the question on everybody's lips is, who is this guy? The guy used to live in New Wales. Is it New Wales the place called? And he went to jail. He runs a gang.
Okay.
He went to jail. He come back and he run away. He ran away to St. Elizabeth. He has been back in the area for a long time. But people from Newfield who was there on Saturday, the 27th of September, would see him walking up and down in the area. And this is the reason why I tell people, when you see something, don't take it upon yourself and say that it is nothing. You see something, I tell you, say something. Because if people were saying these things from morning, people would have put 1 and 1 together and would have get 2.
Right.
And yes, Tammy did went and pick her up early in the morning. I've got a picture with Tammy coming out of the yard in that black Toyota car early in the morning. And I am giving them 47 hours to contact me, or I'm going to start run the picture of them on social media. Alright, moderator, put back the people up in their box.
Like contact.
Say that again, love.
You want them to contact you to clarify the information that you have, or you want them to contact you so they can maybe speak to the authority.
Listen, darling, I don't know from when you've been following this case. They're going to jail 1-1. When it comes to me, this is the one blogger they can't buy out. Okay. I'm not here for trust, I'm not here for credit. They need to speak to me and make me see how much if I can beg for some time for them and see if we can minimize the sentence for them I go get.
Okay.
That's the only thing.
Okay, understand.
Yeah. But where I'm at now, I will beg for a few of them to get accessories. I will beg for a few of them get pervert the court of justice, and then the other 3 obviously them have to go for the legal. But apart from that, they need to contact me. And I'm gonna start running the picture anyway. Okay. But you guys have to stay tuned for the rest of the information.
Okay, thank you very much for having me.
Thank you. Big up yourself. Alright, what the squad are dealing with now? What the squad say? Guys, we are gonna do it, man, as a blind 1-1. What the squad say? Guys, I say up here, so I squad this up here, say no. And it's not a tiger thing, it's a squad thing. I'm telling you, say this kid, he is going to be resting in peace, while the other one, them over on the other side, are resting in pieces.
Right on time, man. God is in the vessel. Yeah, right on time.
Yeah. So Lava.
Yes, sir.
You know say.
Yes, sir.
The people them they are dash we off like a pot water off a banana. I tell you say Tammy can drive and Tammy not drive. The girl drive her man car early in the morning and go pick up Shanice.
Which morning? Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
And her father named Lassil. And Lassil have 2 daughters, and the 2 daughters can drive.
Oh.
Tammy is a dark-skinned Rasta girl.
Okay.
Tammy work over the hospital. Tammy never got work the morning. So right now, we have to go depend on the Digicel and Flow. Cause if she go come out, if come say she a counter cause her work she go the morning, I go tell the prosecutor say you need to get Tammy phone record, you need to get the Aina phone record, you need to get Jayden phone record, you need to get Goatee phone record, and you need to get the Jag Queen record. Cause I the Jag Queen take out Jayden. And the Jag Queen take out Jayden. And the Jag Queen take out Jayden. Me I tell you the Jag Queen. And now that is the reason why nobody not saying anything. And you know, remember we are wonder for the last 5 months why everybody fearful so?
Yeah.
The Jag Queen, our old gang boss will go to jail and come back, and when he come back in, nobody got no put in run the guy St. Elizabeth.
Really? Really now? Oh God.
But you already know say Juna Scott. You already hear say Juna Scott and the little girl we get the umbrella father, right?
Yeah, me hear that yesterday. Yeah. God.
Me dear.
The wicked woman.
Mr. People. How are you saying general, man? I wicked, I cruel people, them, man.
Yeah, man.
Cruel people.
Well, even my heart right now, me say, my heart come like it a beat, man. You know, if you know that boy, the youth not really do nothing him bad. Yo, and look the man, boy, me I tell you, yo, Jamaica, boy, me I tell you. Jamaica heartless, you know, man, I tell you.
And guys, the motto is still this: you see something, say something, people. In the name of Jesus, you see something, say something. Because let me tell you something. A lot of people are big up yourself, divine. A lot of people are beating up themselves now. And let me tell you something, people. If you don't ever know what trigger the person to give all of this information, you'd never believe what trigger all of this information. Obviously, we get that happy, you know. Because right now, we just need JCF to come forward and do them thing. I'm going to email a couple of police in the evening. But may I give them 47 hours to contact me. You hear me say? 47 hours to contact me. And you see, if anybody out there, feel like so now go see people pick me and violate them, I saw me and the squad are going to come down on like a ton of brick. And you see, that's why I'm telling you, son, if you load them, make them chat, you know. Because that boy will come up in the box the other day, come chat. I him trigger all of this, make me start the digging, you know. I him trigger all of this because me I say, you have 5 picnic. One of them, I have to take taxi to school. One of them have to take taxi to school. And me I say, I ask him on the record, I say, how much? 5 of them? He say, he misses his woman affair. And then they say the little girl, I say, oh, she'll get bored and she'll miss her friend, them so now for make it up. And that is the one we get the umbrella. But the worst part of the situation here, and I understand, say I'm scared for him kids them. And guys, when it comes to kids them, we can't defend one and we are throw the next one them on our bus. We have to defend the whole of them. We have to defend the whole of them regardless. So him say I'm scared for him kids them, we have to give him that. However, you could have leak it. You could have leak it because you hear the whole internet. I ask, who did the little boy say him a go meet? And you have the name of the cousin where the little boy say him a go meet. You have the name. And a question me ask me, I tell you, Jonah Scott, you have the name of the cousin that the little boy say him a go meet.
Yeah,
go on talk, guy.
You say about that guy like in... Oh, sorry, yeah, go on.
Yeah, man, but you know, as me tell you say, God on time, you know, man, you know, and God work in mysterious way, you know, yeah. And me tell you, them really do.